All right, let's change out this holiday decor into some Valentine's cuteness. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. So I have this little mason jar thing I got from Dollar General on clearance, 90% off. Anyways, I dismantle it, take off the bow and the little metal part on the top. Then I have this piece of fat quarter that I had gotten from Joann Fabrics, cut it very basic, and then put some Mod Podge on the front of that, then smoothed it out. I thought I was being super slick, by the way, by not painting it. I'm like, this is going to be perfect. I sand the edges. Yes, you can. If the fabric is thin enough, you can sand the edges. And it frays beautifully. If you don't like the fraying vibe, though, you might want to just cut it out perfectly. Just trace it and then cut it out. It's fine. If you can cut a straight line, I can't. Anyway, so I'm like, dag nabbit, I can see the thing underneath. So, yep, I peeled it off. Darn it. But then I added some black all-purpose paint, I think a multi-surface paint, and then I let it dry, put some more Mod Podge on, same song, second verse, put on our piece of fabric and smoothed it out, and that fixed it. I know it's hard to see in the video that you can see the image underneath, but you could. All right, so then I put some hot glue on the top, and then I'm putting that little metal piece back on. Again, you could see that I have a piece of finger protector on. I'm telling you right now, it's metal. Metal gets hot with hot glue. Just saying. Trying to help you, man. Then I wrapped a little bit of jute on the top of that, tied it in a little bow. Super cute. Now make sure when you do that, though, you leave some tails. Why? Because we're going to add some cute little Dollar Tree heart cutouts to the ends of those pieces of jute. I just added a little bit of glue and then put my wood heart on, and then I put a little more glue and then take the other heart and sandwich. Easy peasy, but it gives such a cool effect. I love it. I did squeeze the hearts together a little bit just because the jute, depending on how thick, could make them, look like they're separate. So I just, I have another little wood cutout from Dollar Tree. It's Love, and I put some glue on that and glued it. Now, my little distressed primitive heart can't stand with it looking like that, so I had to distress it with a little bit of ink, but if that's not your thing, don't do it. So I distressed it using my blending brush, and then I used my sanding block and I sand the top just because I wanted it to look almost shadowy, but not completely dark. Does that make sense? So when I sand it, watch, you're gonna love it. Well, maybe you won't love it. I loved it. Look at it. It was so cool. It gave a really cool effect. Again, though, if this isn't your vibe, don't do it. It's fine. I like it, so I did it. But look at how cute this is. I thought it needed just a little bit more, so I added a little Dollar Tree button in the center of that bow, and stop it. Look at, come on. That's adorable. And we can use this for Valentine's Day. I'm going to say I would leave this up all year if I wanted. I'm just saying. Super cute. All right, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.